Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to the channel. So a little bit different today. I'm not out fishing right now. I have plans to fish maybe tonight. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But no, what I want to go over today is, so you guys have seen the beginning of the videos where I'm driving out to these places, and some of these places are, a little harder to get to. So you always want to make sure you have, something that is capable of getting to where you want to go. So I have my Nissan Titan Pro 4X. It does really good. It's capable. Just don't hit Mississippi river mud and you'll be just fine. Yeah, I got stuck last week Thursday down at the Mississippi. Drove through I guess a runoff ditch, and it was all soupy mud and it was terrible. Anyways, the other thing I want to go over is preventative maintenance. So right now I'm redoing the radiator in my truck. So let's see if I can get this to work here. So here's the radiator, and this right here, this fitting, was what was leaking. Now it might only have been a small leak, but it's a leak nonetheless. So what I want to throw at you guys is just make sure you're doing your preventative maintenance before it becomes, well, lack of maintenance. You don't want to be stuck. If you know your radiator is leaking, get it fixed. That way hey, if you're out fishing 12:30 at night, you don't have to worry about your radiator blowing up. So yeah, just want to throw that out to you guys. I'll be, I think Saturday night, I'm going to be fishing on the Missouri. I might go out to my local lake tonight and see what happens. I put rod holders in my kayak, so I kind of want to give that a try and see how that goes. But yeah, so y'all have a good day, and make sure you take care of your vehicle.